Hey, good evening. So I need a couple of fans for my 3D printer, so I picked out two. They're both 12 volt. This is a larger one for a power supply. This is two small ones that'll go side by side to blow on the ramps board. Now they have ends, which is kind of unfortunate because I want to cut them off. So I'll split these. They're already split. Strip the ends. Not to strip much. Just in there we go. Let's do this one. Now that has a 3-pin. Cut that off. Now these are probably too small to strip. The blue is a sense pin. I don't need it. These are big enough to strip with these cutters. Now what makes these versatile for me, these power plugs. Now I know from experience the longer one is negative. I would have expected them to be positive, but they're negative. So I'm just going to take the easy way. I'll put in negative. I'll put in positive. Harbor Freight Hobby Vise comes in handy. It has jaw liners, but I took them out because sometimes I get close to them with a soldering iron and it was starting to get little marks in them. So I'll solder these. So that looks pretty good. I could have used heat shrink tubing on this, but really no need to. It's going to be permanently mounted in the printer assembly. And I don't need this blue cable, so I'm going to cut it very short. Now I can take a wall wart, plug into this. I won't have to permanently wire in a wall wart, and I won't have to depend upon the ramps itself to provide power. So I've got a power supply. Not quite a wall wart, but close. Let's see if it works. Now that moves some air. I like that. I'm going to keep everything on that printer cool. So there's how you make a quick disconnect power cord to use a wall wart with fans. And you can do that with any voltage as long as the power supply matches the fan, of course. But this gives me versatility, like versatility. So if you like the videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.